In Affinity Photo, you want to mask out certain parts of the image, maybe this part or that part. You can do it very easily, and here's a couple of methods showing you how. I've got this background layer selected. Go to a layer and then down to new mask layer. As soon as you've done that, you'll notice now background and a mask has been added. With the mask selected, you can now go over to the gradient tool or the brush tool and apply that. Just click and drag, and you see now this bottom part has been masked out. You've got the top part still visible. You can still manipulate this so it's a live effect, and you can modify it in all kinds of ways. You can change origin as well. You can also use a shape to mask an image. Just going to go and select a shape here. I'm just going to go with the ellipse tool, but you could use any other tool as well. With that, just click and drag, and this mask is here. However, what you need to do next is to go up to a layer and then down here to Rasterize to mask, and that's been masked. Now you can see here you've got the mask here and the background there. To make it even easier, simply go over here and drag this mask down onto the background here, and now it's part of that, and you can then move this around. Just reposition it using the move tool. Just reposition it like that, or resize it, as well as applying effects to it and much more. If you want a vector mask, go over here and select another shape. I'm just going to go with the triangle tool this time. Create that, and now what you need to do is just go over here to the background, make certain that's selected, and then go to edit, and then cut, and then make certain you select the triangle, and then go to edit, and then paste inside. And now you've got that. You can now manipulate the background, move it around, reposition it as long as it's selected here. You can also click here, the triangle, and then move that around and reposition that, or resize it. And it's still live, so you can change it at any point. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.